Okay, welcome back, class. Today we'll be talking on we'll continue from differentiation, but here we're going to make use of the formula. Last time we did from the first principle, but now we're going to be differentiating with the formula. Formula is easier than first principle. Now using the formula, the general formula for differentiation is what dy dx equals to nxn minus 1. This is the formula. So example, if y is equals to x raised to power 3, remember we did it from the first principle that time. But now if y is equals to x raised to power 3, find dy dx. So we're going to now have using our formula. Now remember our formula. Formula says if yes, anything raised to power, look at if here is n, anything here will come down, n will come down, n minus 1. It's not true. Here is n. So let n come down. It's now be 3. Open brackets. 3x 3 minus 1. Because we are using the formula. Let's here now be if here is 3, 3 will come down. 3 minus 1. I hope you understand. We're using the formula. So we have 3x raised to power 2. So this is so that time we use first principle, but now we are going to use formula, so it's easier for us. And you see that we got the same answer with the first principle of that last class. If you've not watched the last class video, please watch your last class video before watching this one. Number 2 says find the derivative of what y equals to 4x squared. This is what I give you as assignment. If you do not do your assignment, or if you not see the one I submitted, okay, if you're not doing your assignment, I've not submitted anyone. If you not do your assignment, please go and do your assignment to know what we got this one. So now using the formula of this dy dx, the main formula, we're going to now do is to take this power to the front. If power comes to the front, now be 2 times 4. It's not true. Then this power minus 1, formula n minus 1. So power minus 2 is power. This 2 is the power. 2 minus 1. Look at it. 2 is the n minus 1. 2 minus 1. So we have here as 2 times 4, 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. X raised to power 1. So answer is what? 8x. So if you not get 8x in your assignments, check it very well. You made mistake. So go back and do it very well. Number 2 says find the derivative of y equals to 3x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2. We'll find the derivative of it. So solution, what we're going to do is to now look at, remember we are using formula. Use formula. This 3 will go down. It's not true from the formula. And the 3 minus 1. Look at it. 3 will go down. That is 2 times 3. Then the raised to power 3 minus 1 from the formula. Minus this 2 will go down. That is minus 5 times 2. Then 2 minus 1. Have you seen it? Then plus no x here. When you are differentiating a constant, the answer will be 0. No x, so we call it 0. So note, a constant is equal to what? 0 in what? In differentiation. We've said it before. So the next one, dy dx, solve this using the formula. Okay, sorry. Okay, what we did. Okay, sorry, we continue from here. So we continue from here. What is 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Here, 2 times 3, that is 6 raised to power x minus 6 raised to power x. What am I saying? 6x raised to power 2. It's not true. Minus 10x raised to power what? 1. 10x raised to power 1. Look at it. So this is the formula. This is the final answer for that question. So the next question says, find the derivative of y equals to x cubed plus 2x squared plus 1 over x. The first thing to do is for you not to be confused, just use that x to divide everything. Meaning that use x to divide here, use x to divide here, use x to divide here. Let us do it. X will go here. What remain? X squared. X cancels 1 x remain. What remain? 2x. 1 over x. Keep it. Just bring it down. Now note that 1 over x can be written as what? X raised to power minus 1 in indices. Remember, x raised to power minus 1 in indices. So 1 over x can be written as x raised to power minus 1. So now, we now have, it implies now that dy dx is equals to, this 2 will come here, which is what? 2x. 2 minus 1. This is it. It's not true. Now, what we have here? 1 minus 1 is 0. So that 1 times 2 is 2. Just bring your 2 down. 1 minus 1, just put 1 minus 1. Let me just say 1 minus 1. Now come to this place. Bring this minus 1 to the front. So we have minus 1. So minus 1 is the formula. Minus 1. Because the formula says n minus 1. And here our n is minus 1. So minus 1 from the formula. So minus 1 is not going to give us what? Minus 2. Why? You are owing somebody 1, you are owing somebody. How many are you owing? 2. Minus 2. So we now have here as 2x raised to the power 1 plus 2 x raised to the power 1 minus 1 is 0. It's not true. So 2x raised to the power 0 minus, be your minus here. Why is it minus? Because plus and minus is minus. Remember. So x raised to the power minus 1 is minus 2. So from here we now have 2x plus anything raised to the power of 0 is what? Is 1 minus x raised to the power minus 2. Hope it's clear. So from here now, what can we going to now do? 2 times 1 is 2. Bring that here. Now here, just bring it down like this. So this is my answer. So the y, the x is now going to be what? 2x plus 2 minus x raised to the power minus 2. So look at it very well. If there's any confusion, please ask your question. Don't just keep mute. Ask your question. So our assignment is now 1. Find the derivative for the following. This for A and this for B. So try and solve it. Don't just be looking at your assignment and be piling them. Try and solve it. Okay.